We have to think how to achieve genuine peaceful world. The source of problem which we human beings created is the my nation, my religion make distinction.
Yes.
So now time come, we have to think just a human being, oneness of all 7 to 8 billion human beings, we are same.
Yes.
T'as compris?
Oui, ça j'ai compris. Oui.
So I totally committed. Since morning, I wake up, think all 7 to 8 billion human beings, we are same. We all want happy life. By nature, we all have compassion, affection. But once we join school, then make distinction. This nation, this religion, that religion. That's the source of the cause of creating problem.